are going to love the 2016 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel drive, power windows, fog lamps, MP3 player, power door locks, child safety locks, trip computer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.